I had a request earlier this week of a lady who specifically posted and said, will you sing Learning to Dance in the Rain?
Oh, yeah. I love it. Hey, we sang it this week in Branson, and the writer, Bruce Haynes, was there. Bruce has written so many songs for us, and he wrote Praise His Name, incredible song, Going Away Party, Morning's Coming, but I love this one. To the saint and the sinner, the losers and winners, sometimes the rain's gonna fall on the bad and the good, the misunderstood. Storms will come to us all. Well, I found the answer from heartache to cancer. I thank Him in spite of the pain. 'Cause when I start praising, things begin changing. I'm learning to dance in the rain. I'm learning to smile when I feel like crying, to live every day as if I were dying. I'm learning the lesson of praising God through the pain. I'm learning to stand when my heart is breaking, to hold to the cross when my hands are shaking. Lord, through it all, I'm learning to dance in the rain. When the clouds start to gather and bring in bad weather, there's no silver lining inside. When your prayers have been prayed and the answer's delayed, and you're holding on for dear life. Whether you walk on the water or if you falter, He'll be there when you call His name. And you'll get the victory, and you'll solve the mystery by learning to dance in the rain. I'm learning to smile when I feel like crying, to live every day as if I were dying. I'm learning the lesson of praising God through the pain. I'm learning to stand when my heart is breaking, to hold to the cross when my hands are shaking. Lord, through it all, I'm learning to dance in the rain. Lord, through it all, I'm learning to dance in the rain. There we go.
So there's your request. I love that song.